All people with disabilities can now walk the entire Via Dolorosa in Jerusalem. 12 years after work began, the old city of Jerusalem is now fully accessible. Thanks to the provision of special infrastructure and mobility solutions, people with special needs can now access all the holy sites, as well as restaurants and stores, and discover the city's history. In particular, ramps allow the passage of wheelchairs, but also of mini-cars and special emergency vehicles.
We took 50 other historic cities around the world as a reference to see what they had done. Today, I can proudly say that Jerusalem is the most accessible historic city in the world, and the result is a comfortable urban landscape.
Tourists love this development, which encourages them to visit the old city. A Muslim visits Al-Aqsa, a Jew visits the Western Wall, and a Christian visits the Church of the Holy Sepulchre. This has created a very comfortable atmosphere for people with special needs, the elderly, and even tour guides. With more than 1 billion people with various types of disabilities worldwide, the old city of Jerusalem is making strides towards them for welcome and accessibility. We find ramps in the Holy Sepulchre Square, which were placed by Christian communities so that people with disabilities can reach the basilica. At the entrance to the basilica, people with disabilities can ask for assistance to get over the step. There is in fact a movable ramp that can be placed at the entrance if needed, and is usually located behind the doorway. Of course, the first beneficiaries of this project are the town residents themselves. A guidance system for the blind has also been developed and installed. A free application provides them with audio information based on their choice and location to receive service or reach their desired destination.
מתוך בערך 40,000 איש שגרים בתוך החומות, הערכה היא שבין 4,000 ל-6,000.
It is estimated that of the 40,000 people living within the walls, there are between 4,000 and 6,000 people with disabilities who need access to schools, grocery stores, and medical clinics. The city is built on several hills, and there are thousands of stairs. In the past, if someone was sick or injured, they had to carry them on their shoulders to the Jaffa Gate. If a fire broke out, they had to run to the well and carry water by hand. Whereas today, emergency vehicles can reach every point in the old city.
אם הייתה אש, חס וחלילה, היו צריכים לרוץ לבאר, למצוא דליים ולשפוך על האש.
For us, the stairs were too tiring. I used to be a porter. When I went down with the cart, I found it difficult. Currently, I am sick, and there are others who are working, and today it is easier for them. As many as 7 government agencies worked on the implementation of this project in Jerusalem's Old City, an area of just 1 square mile visited by 10 million tourists a year. The Ministry of Tourism, Antiquities Authority, Jerusalem Municipality, National Insurance, East Jerusalem Development Company, Ministry of Tourism, and Ministry of Jerusalem Affairs and Heritage.